Check out the two brand new XGT 40V Max slide compound miter saws from Makita. Now, the LS003 has a 305mm blade, or 12 inches in the old scale, while the LS004 is a tad smaller at 260mm or 10.25 inch. Now, both these saws feature a rail forward design, which means you can scoot them all the way back against the wall on your bench. But they've also got a lot of rigidity and silky smooth extension for fast, accurate mitering. Speaking of mitering, both saws swing from 60 to 60 with fast stops at all your significant angles, and they can bevel up to 48 degrees both ways with fast stops at 22.5, 33.9, and 45 degrees. Personally, I love that all the toggles and latches are forward facing, so you can make all your adjustments to the saw from in front of the saw. You don't have to go rabbiting around behind whenever you're doing any sort of beveling. And when cutting, the saw's got a nice bright work light, which casts a shadow line so you can quickly find your mark for accurate cutting. And check out the way it pulls the dust into those dual dust zones as well, so there's really not too much mess to clean up once you're done. Now, both these saws will pair with Makita's AWS vacs for auto on and off when you're cutting, but you can also toggle the vac on and off from the controls there, which is great for cleaning up the work area between cuts should any strays not get sucked up in the extractor. Now, I love that both saws have built-in table extensions, so you're not going to have them floating around the back of your ute. The 003, the larger saw, has a beefier extension with some adjustment as well. It is built for using with larger timber. That also means it's got larger cutting capacity as well, particularly in height, great for cutting larger crown mouldings and the like. They're two very impressive saws, great cutting capacity, they perform well, loads of power, you won't bog them down easily at all, and you can check them out at your local Sydney Tools store or go online to sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim, thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.